Hello, my name is Yuxi Gu, and I'm going to introduce my 3D design project with the theme of the fantastic sketchers. My presentation consists of the 4 parts: introduction of background, production process, project challenge, and output inclusion. Fantastic structure this time is that the unusual spatial structure or physical structure is beyond imagination and can be unrealistic or even negative. Therefore, in my design, I thought of a building on water and in the air, creating a building suspended on the sea, just like in the air, which is not common architecture style. My visual inspiration for the project is mainly scientists, function, and the strange architectural structure. The curious shape of the Yuzong were to memory the technology of the Suropon color of blind runner, the streamlined exterior of the Mellymore Towers, and the precedence of the design's innovative projects for the future of technology have all been crucial inspiration for my projects. The cultural background of my architecture design is myth and legend. In ancient Chinese mythology, there was Fusang tree in the eastern of the sea. Whether is much up the even those two concepts. This culture symbol is a symbol human can reach to the feet and only in the imagination of each individual. I'm through modeling show these culture symbols personal thinking. I hope I can convey through the building for the unknown human tireless pursuit. This exploration can be extended to the scientists and art. And as grounds of the Cthulhu will only make the spring of the artist and the sculptor's sensitive feeling will receive his influence, which represents the greatest thirst for knowledge and means that the building impresses the pursuit of myth and the yearning for a dream life. I made a physical model of the building with paper, plastic, and scotch tape, from which the external structure of building can be clearly seen. The making of this model will effectively help me to complete the 3D model making and also give me a clear idea of what 3D CGI toolkit I need to complete the modeling of the building. Here is some screenshots of the process of making the 3D model, showing the truth of the material, details of the internal architecture, and the design of the things for the model. To the design of the video camera storyboard, I drew a sketch. According to my idea, I made 2 video things. The above video is one take to the end. The following video switch is in the scenes. According to the contrast, I choose the follow video as the final output. The video better fluency and effectiveness are complete. "3D video is not an easy thing for me, as it is the first time to contact 3D modeling. I have encountered many challenges, and I would like to share my method and parameters to help others with the same problems. First of all, the first challenge is my building. I design a waterfall with a continuous flow of water. To make this effect, I use the real flow plugin. You need to set up a project directory to simulate the flow of water. First, need to simulate an emitter, usually use circle. Then need a long groove tag to limit the emission area. Use key volume add a mesh tag. Practice mesh conveys simulated practice into polygons and go to the practice mesh menu to explore and select the desired output format to create the waterfall effect. The second challenge is scene rendering. I design the building in the sea. I need to change the effect of the waves to use both systems for mapping into a sequence of images, which means that originally the sea is need a lot of grid, but need a play right now to give material ocean and form can achieve the result of cave and convex. The last screenshot of this process is mapping. The ocean generated by the both system is mapping to the play, and then the effect can be rendered on the play. The ocean display in the play can be external indefinitely to render the panoramic effect. Finally, this is a 3D video display. Let me show that. Through this 3D video production, I have mastered the basics knowledge of 3D modeling and real shooting production skills, and overcomes technical problems. The experience of this course will benefit me in my future design career. This is a reference list. Thank you very much for your patience and listening. That's all. Thank you.